In today's video, I'm going to teach you Trello, how to set up a public board as an artist commission queue. Start by going to the Trello website and logging into your account. Once you're in, look for the Create button and click it. From the menu that appears, choose Create Board. When Trello asks for a board name, enter Artist Commission Queue, then click Create. As soon as the board opens, you can begin building the workflow that people will see. Click Add Another List. Type Commission Requests and press Enter. This first list works well as the place where new client requests can be collected and viewed in one spot. Next, click Add Another List again, type Approved, and press Enter. This list is useful for requests that you've reviewed and accepted. After that, add another list called In Progress, then press Enter. This gives you a clear area for commissions you're currently working on. Continue by adding another list named Waiting for Payment and press Enter. This can help separate finished or nearly finished work that still needs payment before delivery or final confirmation. Then add one more list called Completed and press Enter. This final list gives clients and followers an easy way to see which commissions have been wrapped up. Now that the board structure is ready, the next part is making it public so others can view it. Look for the three-dot icon on the board and click it. In the menu, choose Visibility. From the visibility options, select Public. Trello will ask you to confirm this change, since a public board can be viewed by anyone with access to it. Go ahead and confirm the public board setting. Once that's done, click Share. Trello will provide a board link that you can copy. This is the link you can send to clients or post for followers, so they can check the status of your commission queue without needing to message you for updates. At this point, your public artist commission queue is fully set up and ready to use. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. A setup like this works especially well because it gives people a simple visual overview of where each commission stands. It can also save you time by reducing repeated status questions. Just remember that because the board is public, anything placed on it may be visible to others, so it's a good idea to keep personal details and private information off the cards. With that, you're all set. Your Trello board is now organized, public, and ready to share as a clean commission queue for your audience.